welcome back to PostNetwork Academy. I am Bindeshwar and we are diving into the fascinating world of combinations. Whether you are studying data science, artificial intelligence, machine learning, or preparing for competitive examinations, understanding combinations is essential. So let's explore key theorems and solve some interesting problem together. So first of all, we will see relationship between permutations and combinations. So the number of permutations of n different objects taken or at a time is related to number of combinations by NPR, that is equal to NCR factorial R. That means if you multiply factorial R to the combinations, that would be equal to permutations where R lies between 0 to n. So, and the second one NCR plus NCR minus 1, that would be equal to n plus 1 CR, and that is also called Pascal identity. So these two theorems are very important. Now we will see some examples here. So example is that if NC9 is equal to NC8, so find the value of 17CN. So we are using the combination formula. So we will expand NC9 and NC8 and we will equate them. So we will get 1 upon 9 is equal to n minus 8 upon 1, and that basically that would be equal to 17. So the value of n is 17. So 17 is 17, that would be equal to 1. Now next example is a committee of 3 persons is to be formed from 2 men and 3 women. So basically total ways to select 3 people from 5, that would be 5C3, and that would be equal to 10. And ways to select 1 man and 2 women, that would be equal to 2C1 into 3C2, and that would be equal to 2 into 3, and that would be 6. Now the total combinations consider all possible selection, and the second calculation focuses on a specific group, 1 man and 2 women, and this is also using counting principle. Now choosing card from a deck. So what is the number of ways to choose 4 cards from a deck of 52 cards? So 4 cards out of the same suit, second 4 cards from different suits, and 4 face cards. So see that total wage for first one 52C4, and that would come 27,725. 4 cards of the same suit, so you will multiply 4. Thereafter for a same suit, because out of 13 you will choose 4, so that would be equal to 11,440. 4 cards from different suits, so taking one from one suit, so 13C1, second suit 13C1, and the same way you will get 28,561. 4 face card, so there are 12 face cards, so selecting 4 face cards from 12, so there are 495 ways to select 4 face cards. Now each part focuses on different restrictions. Second, using the combination formula ensures all cases are covered systematically. So you have learned combinations, and why I have explained combinations, because these concepts would be used for calculating probabilities, basically sample space. So hope you have understood. For more videos and resources, you can visit website www.postnetwork.co. YouTube channel you can visit, Facebook page, and you can also connect to LinkedIn page. So hope you have understood the concept and you will connect with these platforms. Thanks for watching the video.